Morning, welcome to the Lair Camper Factory, November 20th, Saturday morning. Beautiful wintry day here in Ontario, Canada, and we're just standing in front of a brand new 4500 series camper that's going to be delivered shortly, and we just want to run through the whole thing and give everybody a view of some of the outside and interior features that we've missed in the past. First, we have our new windows with the a full awning that is able to open fully and allow air in. At the front of the camper, we have our propane assembly. We have regulator, swing jack, battery, and an under-mounted spare tire. We have our breakaway. For this customer is elected to have brakes on their camper, so there's a breakaway switch that gets attached to your hitch. We have 2-inch ball for your receiver, obviously safety chains, and swivel jack. Also, we have a hitch light mounted just to the side there, and that's for convenience if you have to set your camper up at night or get ready to tow at night. So you have a light to connect to your hitch. If you come around the side, this is the driver's side of the camper, and down just above the driver's side wheel, we have the discharge for kitchen sink. We have our standard 30 amp, 120 volt shore power connection. In here we have our water connection. We have gravity fill, positive connection. So that's how we connect our water. If we come around the back, this customer has elected to have the bike rack option. So this is the Fiamma Pro Series C bike rack that simple to operate. Literally just drops down. Carry 2 bikes with up to 60 kilos of capacity, so 132 pounds capacity for the bike rack. It's really quite sturdy. This is an advantage over the hitch mount, which people keep asking for, but we're not going to do because this won't drag on the ground and cause issues with your trailer frame. We come down here, this customer obviously has propane appliances, so we have the RV2 hookup, so that's a quick disconnect for your barbecue. On the side we have our standard SAE port, so our solar, which is 175 watt standard on board on the top of the camper, is connected to a 30 amp charge controller. The SAE port allows you to add up to 225 watts more solar for the purpose of charging your batteries. This line voltage, or when you're connected to shore power, or if you have an inverter, then you have 120 volt outlet on the outside. In this particular case, the camper has air conditioning, so this is the discharge for the heated air that's being removed from the camper. This particular customer has got the Fiamma Pro Series F35 awning, and this is a manual awning. Doesn't have a crank. If you want to have a crank, then you would upgrade to the F45, which we can do as well. New window for 2022. Looks great. Makes a nice clean finish. As we go inside, we have our zip-in screen door. We have on the inside, we have our porta potty storage. This particular model is the bunk bed version. So we have obviously the bunk bed, which can drop down and turn into the couch, which is quite easy to do. So it's got a built-in safety rail. Chuck the safety rail underneath. This customer has picked a nice herringbone style fabric. With the bunk bed version, you get the standard 2-drawer under bunk dresser. Nice deep drawers. Looks like they need to be adjusted. Nice 4.2 cubic foot Vitrafigo fridge. 2-burner Suburban flush mount cooktop. In this case, the customer has elected to have a microwave. So this is where we mount the microwave. Nice tiny microwave, but does the trick. If you look above the door, We have the fire extinguisher, solar charge controller, monitor panel for the battery, plus hitch light, porch light, interior entry light switches. Down at the bottom we have our panel for our fuses and 120 volt equipment. Then further as we come inside, we obviously have our sink, we have our fun swing drawer, obviously 2 more drawers for kitchen. At the bottom of the wardrobe we have our CO and LPG alarm closet underneath. Nice big storage. Above we have air conditioning. Then at the back here we have the convertible dinette with the shade screen assemblies. You notice we've now installed double lights instead of a single oval light. Makes it quite a bit brighter in here, and it's obviously each are individually switched, and so it's a nice bright look when you have that in. Table swings down. We will be actually introducing a new table style that will be a little bit shorter. It'll have a different swing mechanism, yet to be determined when we'll have that, but something we're offering. 120 volt plug. Over here we have a 120 volt plug plus 2 USB ports for charging your devices. Here we have exit window. Normally it would be the rear window, but we've designated this as the exit window as we have the bike rack on the back of this camper. And other safety equipment, we have the smoke alarm just above the, or just in front of the shelf there. And if you notice that, that all around we have our nice, smooth, easy to clean vinyl, all installed with the new moldings that we had custom made for the purpose of finishing our campers. So that is the 2022 4500 Trillium Heritage Camper, and we're really excited to show this with all of the new features and unit ready to go out the door. So hope you enjoyed the little tour, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.